What's going on, everybody? Hope y'all are having a great day. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This is the series of Crystal. This is my 335. It's 2011 N55 engine, and today we're gonna be doing another exterior mod.
Bye, welcome to the channel.
Bye, is the puppy over there. So today we're gonna be installing high gloss. I think it's 5D carbon wrap on the mirrors. So for starters, what I want to do is I want to take here I have some quick detailer, Meguiar's. It doesn't really matter what you use, but I just want to spray it on the surface I'm working with, and I want to really clean it off, get rid of any of the debris that might still be there after I washed my car, because the last thing I want is to install this wrap and then especially because now it's winter, it starts to peel off or anything at all. So just give that a thorough clean. I'm also making sure to get all the little cracks that are like, let's say this one that's between the actual mirror cap and the mirror housing itself. So I'm going to be doing just the cap itself. I'm going to be following these lines of the car under here and up this line here. So for this project we're going to need some pry tools, just simple plastic pry tools. We're going to need these gloves. They're just regular plastic gloves. I may or may not use this. It's just some green painter's tape. I might use it just to make sure along the edges here that I don't scrape anything or cut anything when I'm going to be using my X-Acto. I'm going to be using also some, it's like this felt squeegee. And lastly, it's going to be this 5D carbon. It's super glossy, which is what I'm going for. Anything I'm going to be using, by the way, is going to be down in the description box below. So feel free to go on Amazon and search with the links that I'm providing for you. They're probably the best prices that I could find on Amazon. Alright, so take your wrap. So this is my wrap. I cut it to size with a lot of excess, so if ever I have mistakes or I want to change something, I have that opportunity. We're going to start by removing the back layer. Stick it onto the main area here. I hate doing projects outside of my house. I forgot something else.
A few moments later.
Bailey, no, baby. Bailey, come here.
No! They're coming out really nice, actually.
This is Bailey.
Right, say hi.
Bailey. Bailey, say hi, my little girl. Say hi. Why do you look so sad? Say hi. Bailey, say hi. You don't want friends? You don't want any new friends? No. Okay.
No, there's like a hum.
I know.
It's hard to get it over it. I could take it off.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
What do you want to take off?
Ouch, my knees. Oh, Maron, my knees are gonna break. They're gonna break. I'm old.
Stop, please.
Beautiful. Everyone say hi to my assistant.
Stop it.
Hello.
Stop it.
Alright, so this is where we're at right now. It looks, I think I'm gonna like it a lot actually, because this exact weave is the exact same one I have on my spoiler that you obviously can't see right now, but I'm gonna be putting a link right up here so you guys go check it out. But so far I really like how it's coming out. I tried to use this the hard side of this felt squeegee to kind of just put it in the recess here that goes along the mirror cap here, and I used the heat at the same time so that it stayed in the groove. It came out pretty nice. Down here is my biggest issue. I could wrap it around no problem, but over here naturally there's like this edge that goes like this under the mirror, so it's hard to put everything down properly, get it over the edge, and then get it to the end of the mirror cap like I did at the top. It's hard to... Bye, Ellie. It's it's hard to kind of get it at the end of this, I don't know what you want to call it, at the end of the mirror cap here, just because there's so many grooves and everything. I think I'm gonna do I'm gonna cut a line here to give it a bit of like slack, because I see that there's a lot of pulling of the wrap right now, but so far it's looking pretty good. I have the outline here and I think I like it a lot.
You have to get it like in here and then up.
You see how there's a groove here?
Yeah.
And then there's one right after
get
it.
In the groove.
And then there's
Where
one
do you stop?
right after the mountain.
Oh, you don't have to go up the mountain. You just have to put heat and push this.
But it's not working. That's what we've been doing, bro.
Hey, don't call me bro. What? Oh, you're videotaping again? Maybe you'll remember it this time. You're doing here, you screwed up.
Huh?
You screwed up here.
I'm not finished.
Okay, that knife is really close to my head.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so I gave up. I ended up just taking the whole mirror cap off. I found it's, I think it's gonna be a lot easier, right?
Yes.
Like, cause now I could easily see the edges and really, Jesus, Bailey. Oh my God, they're all crazy here. They're all crazy here. Anyways, so now I could properly just put this all around the edges. I know there's some little lines there and whatever, but now that it's gonna be a lot easier, I could probably just do it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, so the cap is completely done. I did all the edges, whatever. There's some like little, you know, whatever these lines are called, but it's fine because it's like under the, it's between the actual cap and like inside this mechanism here. So it's fine. I'm just gonna put this back onto the car now. Alright guys, so we officially finished, me and my lovely assistant. So this is how it looks. This other one I did off camera and it came out really nice. I feel like I guess we learned from the first one, eh? So yeah, this one came out really nice. Actually, well, you can't really tell now, but like I like how it looks on the car. Actually, it looks like a new, I don't know. I really like it. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe, because there's always plenty more videos to come. What else should I say? Comment? Yeah, sure, guys. Comment if you guys have any questions or anything at all. That's it, guys. I just want to leave it at that. Remember to always drive what drives you, and I'll be catching you guys in the next video.